Founded in Fukuoka with the mission of establishing a space industry in Kyushu, iQPS marks its 20th anniversary in 2025. Today, together with more than 25 partner companies, mainly based in northern Kyushu, we are developing the world-class small SAR satellite, QPS SAR. SAR satellites use radio waves, enabling observation of the Earth's surface day or night in any weather. iQPS is steadily working toward a 36-satellite QPS SAR constellation, aiming for near real-time Earth observation almost anywhere on the globe. Since launching our first satellite in December 2019, we have continued to expand our fleet and gained extensive expertise in operations. In March 2025, our new R&D hub, QSIP, was established. QSIP integrates manufacturing, testing, and shipping on one floor, enabling production of up to 10 satellites per year. This boosts efficiency and development speed, accelerating launches and service readiness. Partnering with government agencies, infrastructure operators, and others, we are already delivering results by combining satellite data with image analysis and AI. Our satellites are used for inspecting large infrastructure and monitoring wildfires, earthquakes, eruptions, and other disasters, helping detect crises early. As natural disasters and geopolitical risks increase worldwide, the need for our high-precision observation data grows more urgent every day. Faster, more accurate, covering more places than ever before. We will continue expanding our constellation, realizing a world where Earth is observed more frequently. Unlocking the potential of space and contributing to human progress. The challenge of iQPS continues.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Stage 1, propulsion nominal.
Electron has cleared the launch pad and the nation god is on its way to space for iQPS. Velocity is quickly climbing at more than 800 kilometers an hour and counting, with Electron just past 5 kilometers above LC1 right now. The first thing we want to listen out for from Mission Control is the call for max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure. It's that moment during ascent when Electron's increasing speed meets decreased air density to cause the maximum amount of stress against the vehicle. Let's listen in.
Cleared max Q.
Nice, clean sailing through max Q for Electron there. The vehicle speed is climbing nicely past 2,500 kilometers an hour, now at 1.5 minutes into the mission. Next up after max Q will be MECO, or main engine cutoff, which is the command to shut down Electron's 9 Rutherford engines on the first stage. Once this happens, the first and second stages of the rocket will separate, and the single remaining Rutherford engine on the second stage will fire up to fuel the rest of the Nation Guard's ride to orbit. We should be able to check out both stages during that separation event, so keep an eye out for that milestone as it occurs.
Stage 1, propulsion holding nominal. Stand by for MECO in approximately 30 seconds.
15 seconds to staging.
Enter burnout attack mode.
MECO confirmed. Stage detection
And that's confirmation the stages have cleanly separated, and our vacuum-optimized Rutherford engine on the second stage has fired up to continue the mission to orbit. Electrons moving now at more than 7,900 kilometers per hour, past 100 kilometers in altitude. Next up will be fairing separation from this second stage. This will mark the first time QPS SAR-14 has been exposed to the vacuum of space. We might be able to see those two fairing halves split and fall away from the onboard camera view. Let's watch out for that now.
Fairing jettison confirmed.
HV discharge holding nominal.
And there they go, fairing jettison confirmed for Electron. And there on your screen is the QPS SAR-14 satellite ahead of payload deployment. And there we have Curie cut off, waiting now for payload deployment and to welcome another QPS satellite to orbit.
Payload separation QPS SAR-14 confirmed.
Congratulations to the team and welcome back to space for iQPS. That's payload deployment confirmed and mission success for Electron. The nation god has officially joined its fellow iQPS gods and goddesses on orbit. That wraps up our 6th launch for iQPS on Electron, our 5th one this year alone, with plenty more to come to deploy their Earth imaging constellation this decade.
Today's mission was our 16th Electron mission of the year with 100% mission success. And while it's nearing the end of the year, Electron's schedule is not slowing down. We have plenty more launches on the books before year's end, so be sure to keep an eye out on our socials for more details on those soon. And before we close out, let's take one last look at today's stunning liftoff. And until next time, this is Rocket Lab Mission Control signing off.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.